Atom token from the Cosmos ecosystem is likely to continue to tank because of a particular pattern reversal signal. When you see this pattern in any cryptocurrency, you want to be aware of the weakness. So let's dive straight into the price action of Atom. So this is the video that we did on September 11th. And what we said within the video was we're likely to see this top and get some good movement to the downside. And that was over a month ago. And since then, what's happened? Look at that. Look at that. It's just an update. The price has moved exactly in that direction relatively aggressively. We're talking about from around $17 to around $11. But what we're going to cover today is what's likely to occur next. From this point here, are we likely to see downward movement or upward movement? Well, let's go into a live chart. So this is Atom live. By the way, I'm going to read a quote from my book, which is really, really relevant over here, and all cryptocurrency, which you can now also download for free, is in the description link below, is chapter 5. It's Leonardo da Vinci. He says, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now, we want to have sophisticated strategies, but they are simple and replicatable, as in we can repeat them over and over again. So why is it likely, very likely, that Atom is going to continue to the downside, probably hitting below $11, testing the $9 mark, and maybe even getting down to the $6 mark over the coming week or so, maybe 2 weeks or so, and maybe even making a new low prior to the previous low. There's something over here with a pattern position that I want you to be really aware of, because we had some good upward movement and some upward movement. But this part here, there's been a massive signal for us. So what we're going to do is I'm actually just going to get rid of everything in terms of drawings, and I want to really zoom in to this part, and I want to get this really, really clear to you with Atom. So we had this very nice movement to the upside. Let me draw it like this, actually. It'd be better if I draw it like so. We had this very nice movement to the upside and a movement down. And at this stage, when it moved up, it was looking quite bullish. However, we've had something called a price overlap. In other words, the closing price, this range over here, Atom has closed into that range. And that's an overlap structure. Now, what that normally indicates is weakness. So this looks like a corrective structure, and that indicates that we're going to have a continuation to the downside. There's another factor you want to be aware of as well. I'm going to go into a daily chart for this. I'm just going to bring up the momentum indicator, and the momentum on the daily chart is bearish. What does that mean? Well, what it means is the blue line down here is crossed below the red, and that indicates that the momentum is on the downside. So at least for maybe 1 or 2 more weeks, we're probably going to see Atom price go to the downside. And that's just the nature of the game. By the way, if you want to learn how to read the markets, these pattern reversal signals, and make some serious money from trading, whether it's crypto or any market, take my 4 Secrets Crypto masterclass. It's crypto, it's stocks, it's indexes, the methodology applies. It's free, is in the link below. So let's finish again on repeating the quote, because repetition is the mother of all skill. Let's go with Leonardo da Vinci, right? Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So when you're looking to make money, you want to be able to repeat like a casino, have an edge in your favor, and then repeat that edge in a mechanical, objective, consistent manner with acceptable capital exposure. And if you can look at these pattern reversal signals, and we got an overlap. So that shows weakness. So that says, right, we're betting on the downside, and that's just the nature of it. And probably around 2 more weeks. And if we see a reversal, then we'll keep an eye on Atom. So let me know what you think. Share this video. Anyone that you know is watching Atom, because it's probably going to go down for a few weeks, and then we'll keep a close eye on it long term.